ORCA or 14 video camera trolley bag with top tray. Key features: fixed camcorder up to 25 long, customizable internal dividers, zippered mesh top tray included, internal LED lighting, built-in trolley system, aluminum and honeycomb frames, 3 exterior pockets, padded shoulder strap included. ORCA OR-14 overview. The ORCA OR-14 video camera trolley bag is designed to protect and transport a video camera up to 25 in length with accessory, featuring built-in wheels and a trolley handle. The bag can be easily rolled between locations or carried with a top handle or include padded shoulder strap. The bag is constructed using an external aluminum frame and internal frame and layers of foam and EVA material to keep your gear protected. An internal divider system lets you customize the bag to suit your needs, while 3 external pockets provide additional storage. The bag also comes with a removable top tray that is covered with a zippered mesh, allowing extra place of accessories and added protection for the camera from the top part of the bag. Key features: fixed video camera up to 25 in length, integrated trolley system, aluminum and honeycomb frames, internal divider system, internal LED lighting, equipment securing bungee system, 3 external pockets, removable zippered mesh top tray include, top handle and padded shoulder strap.
Có cái cây kéo ra không? Nhấn vô, nhấn giữa. Đứng yên, giữ yên, giữ yên. Các bạn đây.